Namaste, I'm Amma. Today we're at Gadari, but if you'll follow along with us, subscribe and hit the notification button, we will take you all over Nepal and show you the best values for shopping, what to do when things go wrong, every kind of tip and trick you can think of. I've been here 8 years and I know Nepal pretty well by now. Because I've made every mistake. Nepal. Hope you enjoyed the video. Reason for these videos is to help you to have the best possible time in Nepal. So I hope you enjoy. Hope you hit the subscribe, like, get the notification bell so we can help you and you can bring us along on your trip. I promise it'll be the best trip of your lifetime. See you next time.